That's fine. Let's follow the road ahead, and at the end of the road, let's turn left again.
Okay.
Do you want to talk yourself through what you're doing?
Yeah.
Okay, once you go past the white coloured car on the left, then you can either talk out aloud or talk in your head, whatever makes you feel comfortable, okay?
Right.
So at the end of the road, turn left.
Doing my signals. I mean, mirror checks, not signals.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm doing my signals. Go. Following the white line in the middle. Clutch down in a minute. Clutch down. Turning. Brake.
What now? While you're looking at him, prepare the car to move off. Get your preparation done. Yeah, multitask, good. Remember the law, and if it's safe, continue.
Going.
Let's move away from these parked cars. That's all. A nice car he's got there. Don't get too close to parked cars. Nice and flashy car.
Very flashy car.
So he'll be driving that one day.
I do not like that car.
Somebody give me that car, I'd keep it.
True, but the upkeep.
Yeah. Well, when you've got one of them cars, I don't think you're worried about the upkeep.
That is so true. You've done it now, we might as well keep it.
And we're now taking the second road on the left, this being the first.
Okay. Mirrors. Signal.
Good. So your mirrors are done. Your signal is done. Position, how far from the pavement? Meter? Yeah, should we do a meter?
Yeah.
A meter away from the pavement.
Oh God.
A bit more to my side. That's good.
Yeah.
Mirror signal position. Adjust your speed so you're going around 10. And then look in your left door mirror and look into the road you're going into. Then look in your left door mirror again, and if it's safe, follow the road round. Look at your speed, give a bit more gas so you've got comfortable, reasonable speed coming in. So you're not going too fast, so if something changes, you're able to respond.
Yeah.
And you're not going so slow that if there's anybody behind you, they won't be tooting the horn at you.
Okay.
Bit more to right. You're stopping.
Yeah, sorry.
It's okay, no problem. The reason why we're stopping is we're not going to fit through without bumping into them.
Yeah.
They've done nothing wrong.
No.
They've done nothing wrong, so we're going to let them go. No problem at all. Just be prepared on this junction, it's quite difficult.
Yeah.
When you're ready, when it's safe, you'll move off, but you control the car quite well. You came to a good stop, so it's perfectly fine what you've done, okay?
No,
Make sure you're in the correct gear to move off. While you're doing that, multitask and look at any car coming up the road. Move off when you're ready.
There is another one, but...
Yeah, we can go, yeah?
Yeah. It's gonna go
If we're going to stop, we need to stop somewhere near the red car. Cannot stop where we are now, it's unsafe.
Okay.
So let's move off. Now we're not come to a stop, clutch down and foot brake on. We're not in a gear to move off. So go back in neutral.
Oh my gosh, sorry.
And then go back in gear 1. Now we're going to let this car go. We're now going to move off when it's safe. That's fine. So when you make a mistake, like, it's no big deal. You just stop, fix it, move off.
Yeah.
Let's go up in gears. And we're now taking the second road on the left again.
Yeah.
Do you need to stop?
Yeah, I think so.
Where would you need to stop?
There.
Okay, then do what you need to do. Make sure they can see what you're...
Speed.
That's nice. Let's go around one more time to finish your lesson off
Okay.
and do it your own.
Yeah.
At the end of the road, turn left. Move away from the car, they'll come to a stop, one or the other. We mustn't be so close to parked cars, okay? Do you understand the little mistake that you made there when you were changing gears? Gear change was actually very smooth.
Yeah.
But did you hear the engine?
Yeah.
You shouldn't be able to hear the engine.
Yeah. Okay.
So do you understand what the mistake was?
Was I on it too?
Yeah, you're on the
intense?
gas.
Oh, sorry, that is my bad.
If it's safe, go through. Now let's move away from the parked cars. Remember, 1 metre.
1 meter.
And take the next road on the left. This time when we go around the corner, we may come across the same situation again. It's a learner driver. So where the road narrows or where you've got to do something that isn't normal, be careful, adjust your speed accordingly.
Yeah.
It's one of the reasons why we bring you into this area. There we are, Lewis Hamilton.
Yeah. It's a Ford as well. I thought it was going to be an Audi. I was going to say, I have problems with them.
Good control, well done, not bad. And we're going to take the second road on the left and then pull up on the left to finish off your lesson.
Right.
And now find somewhere safe to park after the blue car. Move away from this. After the blue van on the left hand side before the white coloured car, if you can please. Lovely. Secure the car, make sure the permanent handbrake's applied. That's fine, and make sure the lovely. Okay, relax. How do you think it went?
I think it went okay.
Okay. Any improvement you could make?
Yeah, the steering thing, I think the clutch control is still
Is
very
it better than what it
shaky.
was from the start?
Yeah,
Do you understand the clutch better?
yeah, I do. And I know that I do have to go slower, so it's fine. But
That's
I'm happy that I've done at the end of the road better.
Good,
Like,
good.
Yeah.
Okay. Mhm.
So
So how would you finalise that?
clutch control smoother and gentler,
Mm.
and when I'm changing gears, get off the gas as
Yeah.
well.
You've only done that once, though. It's
Yeah,
not
true,
habit.
yeah,
It's not
yeah.
habit, okay? Just one of them things, okay? So you're going to fix that.
Yeah.
Do you think it would be reasonable to move on to your right turn thing in your next lesson?
Yeah,
That's fine. We will do.
I'm ready.
I'm going to upload this video on a YouTube for you tonight,
Yeah.
and then you can see your own progress online. You can send it to your mum, whatever. At least your mum knows that you're learning.
Yeah.
You're not just spending your money in shops and having chocolates, whatever.
Yeah.
I can't say, we say some. Anyway, right, okay. So we'll be doing that in your next lesson. We'll be doing right turns. I don't expect to be spending the whole lesson doing right turns.
Okay.
So we're going to try and move on across to it as well if we can.
Yeah.
Yeah, does that make sense? Yeah.
Yeah.
So in your next lesson, I'll be sending you some PDFs to do. However, go onto YouTube channel. All the videos are there. Left turns, right turns, everything's there. If you look at playlists and then look at learning to drive, there's a separate playlist for learning to drive.
Yeah.
All of them are in there. If you go to my WhatsApp status, you'll find a link to it over there.
Okay.
Yep.